Hey, what's marketing? We're at Epcot today. Some friends invited us out to do the test track previews. Come on, let's go have some fun. We're in. Next step, find out where we're supposed to go. Because it's not through the main entrance. Planners are still up, so. Oh, I found special event sign. Well, friend found special event sign. So, time to go and get in line for that. You ready, Shar Shar?
I'm ready.
Well, we're gonna go on test track first, okay?
No, we're going ride.
Well, yeah, we're gonna go on the ride. You ready?
Lily, I'm riding base yet.
Well, we'll do space maybe later, okay? Okay, bye. Hey, you're the one that invited me. You excited?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Basement.
Race?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No,
Think we'll get to ride in that car someday? Probably not. Don't know how it shows up in the video, but the windows back there are the up station for the lift hill, basically, for the ride to the seatbelt check. Never knew that's where it was. Really cool. The Create a Car pre-show is gone, which should hopefully make the line feel a lot faster. So, we'll see. Visible Man's Car. I love it. Shar Shar, you ready?
ready.
What are we gonna do? 2? Okay, 2 works for me. You sit right there. You on?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We gonna go fast?
Yeah.
You gonna just go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do this. You liked it?
Yeah, I want to do that.
You want to do it again? Did we go super fast? Did you get all windy in the face? Super awesome?
What do you want to do, guys?
I think she liked it. My hair's a mess. Not sure if there's supposed to be audio or not. We didn't get audio. But still super awesome. Okay, Shar. What did you like better, the playground or the ride?
Both.
Both good? Okay, bye. Done with the playground? Off to Nemo. Are they working?
No.
What do they say? Mine?
No.
Mine?
No.
Mine?
No.
Mine?
No.
Mine?
No.
Mine?
No, that's my birdie.
Oh, they're your birdies?
That's where by me.
Are sure? It's so dark in here. Who said that?
I can't see you, Daddy.
Are your eyes open?
Yeah.
Okay. Time to walk like a crab. Oh. Where are we gonna ride?
Ride me. You robot.
I am a robot. Shar, what are we going to ride? Going to find the Nemos. Let's swim.
Stop playing games! Kill him out or dude.
Hey, check out what I can do!
Roaches, offspring! Awesome!
I want to try!
Check out the Big Marlin! It's Nemo.
Where'd you go? Did you know yesterday 18,257 people came through here? And it's exactly 3.2 seconds between flights.
What you get, kiddo? Stickers. Okay, had a great time exploring the seas with Nemo and Friends. Now we're gonna head over to Club Cool and get some ice cream.
Get ice cream.
I mean, ice cream is the worst. I don't know why you would want it. But, okay. Okay, bye. Ice cream. Time to go be the cool kids. Club Cool. Okay. I probably invented something disgusting, calling it the Beaverly Float. I kind of regret it already. Nothing. It made Beverly worse.
And milk.
I don't like it. Yeah. Somehow adding vanilla ice cream to Beverly masked any of the sweetness up front and it just went straight to bitter. Don't know how that's possible, but that's what happened. Oh, hi there. Outro went somewhere, but we were going to go do Spaceship Earth. Turned into a 30-minute wait. We didn't want to do that. So we left. Some sad kids. We had a blast. Thanks to our friends for having us out for the test track previews. Can't wait to see what that thing's actually like with onboard audio. But still super cool. All the sets seem top notch. Again, thank you. Now, time to exit through the gift shop. See y'all later. And as always, folks, remember to stay kind and exit through the gift shop.